Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, remote keyless entry, dual rear wheels, engine block heater, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, skid plates, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.